If you want to buy a 3D printer and don't want to spend hours figuring out why it won't print, or manually leveling the bed before every print, then the Bambu Lab A1 is the best printer I can recommend. It has automatic calibration, a camera for remote monitoring, and you can buy it without robbing a bank. I also have experience with the X1 Carbon, but for most people it's overkill and more complicated if you run into any problems. My first printer, an Ender, was a real pain, but the A1 is that sweet middle ground for every home user who wants to bring their projects to life. And this is not a sponsored video. If you know of any other great 3D printers in this price range that don't give you headaches, let me know in the comments and tell us why you like them. If you're new to 3D printing, click subscribe, and in my next videos you'll learn more useful beginner tips and tricks.